In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a Microsoft Copilot response into a new editable Copilot page. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot and make sure you're on the main chat screen. This is where you can begin a fresh conversation and ask Copilot to generate content for you. If you've been using it already, it's a good idea to start a new chat so your request stays focused and the response is easier to work with. Once you've started a new chat, ask Copilot to create something for you. This can be almost any kind of draft or planning content. For example, you might ask it to create a project plan for launching a new product, make an outline for a presentation, or draft a report on a topic you're working on. The key idea here is to give Copilot a clear request so it can generate a useful response that you may want to expand or refine later. After you submit your prompt, give Copilot a moment to generate the response. Read through the content it gives you and make sure it's the version you want to continue working with. This is helpful because the next step turns that response into something more editable and structured. Now look just below the Copilot response for the option that says Edit this response. This option lets you take the generated content and move it into a format that's easier to revise. Go ahead and select Edit this response. When that menu opens, choose Create a new page. This tells Copilot that instead of keeping the content only inside the chat, you want it placed into a separate working page. That's especially useful if you plan to reorganize sections, add more detail, or continue developing the content beyond the original response. As soon as you select Create a new page, Copilot opens the content in a new Copilot page that you can edit. From there, you can work with the text more directly, making changes, adjusting the structure, or building on the draft in a more flexible workspace. This is a simple but very useful feature because it helps you move from a quick AI-generated answer to a more polished working document. If you regularly use Copilot for planning, writing, or brainstorming, turning responses into editable pages can make your workflow much smoother and more organized. That's how to create a new Copilot page from a Copilot response.